How to improve audio quality in CapCut Mobile. Let's get into it. Begin by selecting the piece of audio you want to improve. Now there are a few different ways that we can improve this audio. First, let's go for noise reduction. So with your audio selected, scroll over right to the right and you will see a noise reduction icon. Click into this and then select this slider across like so. This is going to assess your audio for noise and reduce the noise in that audio. Another thing that you can do is let's come out of here and let's scroll all the way back over to the left. And here you will see audio effects and enhanced voice. Let's start with enhanced voice. If we click into this and then click into this slider, CapCut is then going to process your audio and enhance your voice. Another way that you can make your audio sound better is let's go back to the beginning and then come into audio effects. These are predefined presets that you can add to your audio. If the effect has a purple diamond in the top right, this is a pro feature, which means that you need the CapCut Pro subscription. If it does not have a purple diamond in the top right, that means it's free and anybody can use it. Let's say, for example, if I want to choose this one here and then choose the tick icon to lock that in. Now when I play this audio back, my audio is going to be significantly better because I've added that effect.
This tutorial is going to show you how to improve audio quality in CapCut Mobile.
And that's all there is to it.